This is my Game Boy Color that my mom bought me for Christmas in 1998. In celebration of our 20 years together, I'll be taking it apart and restoring it. I won't be doing any modifications to it because I want it to be exactly how it was whenever I was growing up. In the 2 decades since I've got it, I've lost the battery cover, dropped it 500,000 times, and barfed in it while I was on vacation, so it really needs cleaned up. Now I'll be using this Game Boy exclusively in the bathroom while pooping, thus creating the ShameBoy. The Game Boy is much more desirable for this application than the PS Vita or the vastly superior 3DS, mostly because of the ludicrous amount of time it takes for modern game systems to get going. Plus, you can play the Game Boy with one hand far easier than the new systems.